Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 27. This is Section 1.4, Problem 27. It says Ken usually takes in 2,800 calories per day. If he eliminates soda, he can eliminate 280 calories each day. How many calories will Ken take in without soda? Well, this is a subtraction problem. You want to take the 2,800 calories that he usually consumes in a day, and from that we will subtract the 280 calories that ordinarily come from soda that he could eliminate. And as I write the subtraction, I want the rightmost digit of each number to line up vertically. So as I have it written, I will start in the rightmost column of digits, and I get 0 minus 0, which is pretty easy. It's 0. Now as I move over one column of digits to the left, I have a case where I need to subtract. I have 0 minus 8. The 0 is not big enough to subtract 8 from it. So I will go over one column of digits to the left, find the digit in the upper position of that column, and cross it off and reduce it by 1. So I find an 8, and I will cross it off, reduce it to a 7. And that allows me to take the 0 in the column that I was working in and put a 1 in front of it. That changes the 0 to a 10. So now I would subtract 10 minus 8, which is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. And then I move over one column to the left, and I have 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then I move over one more column to the left, and I have 2 minus nothing underneath it. So 2 minus nothing is 2. And that gives me a final answer of 2,520. But because this is an application problem that gives units of measure in the problem, we should state our answer with the same units of measure. So instead of 2,520 and just leaving it at that, we want to say that it's 2,520 calories.